See if the little chicken comes out with the big chickens. Big chickens.
Come on, baby. Come on.
That's him in the doorway, huh? Her, it.
Come on. Ow! Right, faster, go.
Apparently it lived. It's alive enough to be an attack chicken.
Come on.
Alright, well, at least it lived.
Oh, it's feisty.
Well, chicken, come outside sometime if you want to. Well, we put everybody together in the middle of the night last night. Because that's what they say you're supposed to do. I don't know. And it seems to be working out. Well, they're not getting along great, but at least everybody's able to eat. They'll get it all figured out. They're chickens. That's what they do. Except those two really don't get along. We kept 4 of the younger ones. And I believe that little black one's name is Ducky because my granddaughter Bailey said so. So he is Ducky the Chicken. And I was worried about him because he's so much smaller, so the little one stayed over here. We moved the little baby chickens outside because a friend of mine is on his way over to buy 2 of them. And we want them looking good and clean and presentable like. Plus they're outgrowing that little box I had them in already. So 2 of these guys are going to disappear by the next time you see them. Well, we ended up selling 3 little chickens instead of 2 little chickens. Which is more than I wanted to sell, but it was a friend of mine, so that was nice. Now we're going to see if these guys have any interest in a slice of bread for the first time. Nope, not really. He thought about it. Little chickens are so stupid. Stand on it and eat the grass around it. So close. Oh yeah, eat the chicken shit. That's gotta taste good. Apparently it didn't. Alright, the baby chickens weren't any fun. Old Ducky here and the rest of the chickens will be a lot more fun, I'm sure of it. See, look at them go.
Give it, Ducky. Yeah.
You already got one in your mouth. Now what do you do? Oh, you dropped it in the water. Ducky's got hers over in the corner where nobody can steal it. Alright, the last thing I have to show you this week is we rebuilt this box that I'm sure you've seen in previous videos. Maybe even earlier in this one. And we put a mesh screen on the front of it. So the little baby chickens can live outside now. I'm not sure exactly what the plan is. I think any roosters in this box might just call it home for the rest of their lives and become free-range birds to control the ticks. Like I say, I'm not 100% sure. But they should be happy little chickens. Alright. That's it for this week. Say bye, happy little chickens. That means bye in chicken, I think.